Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature or drawing in Google Sheets. This is particularly useful when you need to personalize documents, add handwritten notes, or include official signatures directly within your spreadsheets for approval workflows or contracts. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to edit, as this will ensure all your files are available once you're signed in. Once you successfully log in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to add your signature or drawing. Simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. This will bring you into the main editing view where you can start making changes. Now, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options like File, Edit, and View. Click on Insert. This menu contains various elements you can add to your spreadsheet, such as images, charts, and drawings. From the drop-down options that appear, click on Drawing. This action will open a new drawing canvas where you can create your signature or any custom drawing you need. Once the drawing canvas opens, you'll notice several tools at the top. First, click on the line icon. This tool allows you to draw straight lines. To ensure your line is perfectly straight, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag to create the line. This is especially helpful if you need to underline text or create structured elements within your signature. Next, let's move on to adding your actual signature. Click the drop-down menu beside the line icon you just used. From the options that appear, select Scribble. This tool is perfect for freehand drawing, allowing you to input your signature naturally by drawing directly on the canvas with your mouse or trackpad. Take your time here to make sure your signature looks the way you want it to. After you've drawn your signature, you might want to add your name in typed text for clarity. Click the text icon at the top of the drawing canvas. Then, drag your cursor across the canvas to create a text section. Once the text box appears, type in your name or any additional information you'd like to include alongside your signature. This combination of handwritten and typed text gives your signature a professional and complete look. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save and Close. This will embed your signature drawing directly into your Google Sheets document. You can resize or reposition it as needed by clicking and dragging it to the desired location within your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature or drawing to your Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.